learn anatomy, master perspective, study color theory, draw boxes for 6 months. This is the most common art advice you'll ever hear online these days. But I think it's backwards, because none of that is really where artists should start. When I first started learning drawing, I wasn't actually enjoying it. I kept hearing the same things. Learn perspective, spend more time on fundamental anatomy, building lines. Shut up! I get it already. So I tried. I started learning things I didn't even give a shit about. And instead of getting more motivated, I just wanted to quit. The problem wasn't how I'm learning, the problem was why I'm learning. Hence, if you ever took any advice from online, you know that it's like a list of chores. First anatomy, then perspective, then gesture, then composition, then maybe, just maybe, you're finally allowed to draw what you really want to draw. Okay, I just made it sound so short, but don't trust me. It could take months on end just to get through perspective and anatomy. And don't even get me started on gesture drawing. They all keep telling you that without realizing that that's not how passion works. Nobody gets excited by a checklist. People get excited by creating the stuff they want to create. That means that the real art advice is... yes, finally. Who wouldn't want to copy this piece of work right here? I know I would. I mean, so would everybody. I mean, it's so fun and entertaining, and also very fun when you finally found out that your work is resembling this. As depressing as it might sound, it's still not the best way to improve your art fast. Draw more what? Poses? Boxes? Manga pages? Okay, let's review. First advice was for disciplined people who are able to sit down and do one thing. Second advice was fun, yes, but doesn't really teach you anything important. Third advice is just too vague. Like, really, what do you expect me to draw more? Drawing more equals practicing more. Like, you don't even know what you're practicing. Okay, on the other hand, the final and real advice that I could give you is, yes, fun, teaches you important things made exactly for you, and it could be changed based on your preferences. And the advice is simply just draw what you love drawing. And I don't mean it in a way that tells you to just go chase your dreams. I mean it from an experience level. The moment I started drawing what I wanted to see on the page, suddenly I didn't need to sleep. Suddenly, perspective stopped being a chore. It started being something that I needed in order to be able to draw what I want to draw. Anatomy started feeling like something I need in order to make what I want to see on the page even more better. You get the point. In order for me to stop yapping about what I found out about drawing what you like, I don't even need to elaborate further. Those who can understand this already did. And I hope that they take action to what they're going to draw next, because all I did was just give you the info. You could just go ahead and do what you want with it. I don't even care.
Break, now I need a break. Tryna run away, tryna get away. So I could be